At Sponsler Automotive, we are proud to serve the heart of Ohio with 5 convenient locations, bringing you the best in automotive sales, service, and more. Looking for your next vehicle? At Sponsler Automotive, we offer an extensive inventory of new Ford models at our Sponsler-Donley Ford locations, as well as new Chryslers, Jeeps, Dodges, and Rams at our new Sponsler Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram of Mount Vernon store. Want to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape? We've got that covered too! Our award-winning service and parts departments are here for you. Plus, with our new mobile service van, we'll come to you, whether you are at home, work, or on the go. Itching to personalize your ride? Visit our Revved-Up Motor Company for full customization and upfit services. And don't forget, protecting your investment is just as important. That's why we offer a full-service insurance agency right in-house.
Hello, I'm Scott Ortman with Otto Insurance. We're a full-service insurance agency, part of a larger independent, and we represent more than 30 different insurance carriers. We've been able to save our customers quite a bit of insurance simply because we have so many carriers, and we do know insurance rates have gone up. Give us a call. We're happy to help.
But what truly drives us is you, our customers, our communities, and the people we serve every day. Sponsler Automotive, where trust, community, and exceptional service come together.